Hey guys, so I hope that you are all doing well. Currently my filming is going to be a little bit different today. I am actually on vacation. I am on a kayak right now, but I did want to go ahead and unbox the July Petit Vour Subscription box. So this is my first time receiving this box, so I'm super excited to try it out, and I can say that there are some really fun things in here that I was definitely excited about, and I definitely am still excited about. So I wanted to unbox it for you. So their slogan is "Be bold, be kind," and if you don't know about Petit Vour, it is a clean beauty subscription box, so everything that you get in here is completely clean, green, and non-toxic, and they are also cruelty-free, the creme de la cruelty-free, so that's really cool as well. So the packaging is super cute. I really love their packaging. I definitely liked that when I opened it up. So it comes with this little card which tells you about all of the products that you get in the box. So let's just jump right into it. Alright, so this is what the box looks like, and let's just jump right into it. So the first thing is the Terre, I'm probably pronouncing that wrong, but it is their smudge-proof anti-aging eyeshadow base. So this originally cost $36, and it's infused with hyaluronic acid, and it's supposed to be waterproof to help prevent creasing while improving the skin's elasticity. And minimizing the look of fine lines. I'm just trying to open it here for you guys. So this is what it looks like. It kind of looks like a light skin color, but I have swatched this before, and it does melt into the skin really nicely, or it does just rub into the skin really nicely. Struggling to do this with one hand. But it's really nice. It definitely feels like it has some good ingredients in it as well. It's not just makeup, it also is that skincare. Okay, the struggle is real. Alright, so I got it open. So it's just this doe foot applicator, and then I swatched it right here. Alright, on to the next thing. So we have the Ursa Major Bright and Easy Flash Mask. It has pomegranate and alfalfa. So I've actually been wanting to try this mask out for a while, so I'm definitely excited to get this in this box. So this little sample size of it costs $6. So this is a 3-minute mask. It's supposed to be a powerful, fast-acting enzyme face treatment for clear, vibrant skin. And it's also supposed to be gentle enough for sensitive skin. This flash mask restores luminosity and firmness. So this is what the product looks like. It has a gel type of consistency, and I must say it does smell quite nice as well. It has I can smell it from here, just holding it. It smells quite nice. So I think that it's cool to have a mask where it says that you only need to wear it for 3 minutes. That's really awesome. So if you're in a rush, this seems like this would be a good mask to use. So I am super excited to try this. If any of you guys have already tried this product, I would love to know what you think of it. So please let me know in the comments below. Alright, so the next product is the French Girl Light de Rose, a vitamin C polishing wash. I probably said that wrong, but this is basically a powder cleanser, and this is a Petit Vour exclusive launch. It's an antioxidant rich and plant-derived powder wash which helps to clean, brighten, and exfoliate for super soft and nourished skin. So I really like the packaging of this. It feels really somewhat fancy, but I just really like the packaging. It looks really nice, and I'm super excited to try this. A nice brightening cleansing powder. That sounds good to me, so I'm definitely excited to use this. I haven't heard of this brand before. Have any of you guys heard of this brand before? Have you tried anything from this brand? I would love to know, so please let me know in the comments. It says to shake well, moisten a dime-sized amount with water or toner to form a thin paste. Apply gently in circular motions to damp skin. Rinse with tepid water. Use 1 to 3 times per week depending on skin type. Store in cool, dry place. And this is what the product looks like. Alright, so the next product is the Kalos After Hours Soothing Night Cream. This little sample size is $11. So this is a pH balanced night cream which helps to soothe irritated, stressed skin to quickly regain glow and vibrancy. So this is what the product looks like. This smells really nice. It has lavender, coconut oil, and vitamin C. I wish that you could smell this because it smells really good. This is packed with a lot of lovely oils. It has sweet almond oil, apricot kernel oil, safflower seed oil, and just a lot of really nice oils. So I'm definitely excited to try this out. So the last product in the box is a product by the brand Antonym. I have been wanting to try this brand for quite a while, so I'm definitely excited to try this out. So this is a eyeliner. just has the black pencil on this side, and then on the other side, which I think is really cool, it has a little sharpener, which I think is just really handy to have that built onto the pencil, so that's really cool. I actually have not added any eyeliners to my Clean Beauty collection, so I'm definitely excited to have this in my collection. This is actually not on the list of the products here, so I'm not totally sure how much this costs. But I'm super excited to try it out. If you have tried out anything by Antonym, I would love to know what you think of this brand, because I have been wanting to try them for a while. So let me know what you think of them. And if you have tried this eyeliner before, I would love to know what you think of it. Overall, I think this is a great subscription box. I am definitely intrigued by all of the products that came in this month's box. So if you are transitioning to Clean Beauty, I think that a Clean Beauty subscription box is definitely a great way to try out a variety of products that maybe you wouldn't have tried otherwise, because I know that Clean Beauty can be a little bit pricey. So this is definitely a great way to try out some travel size products and just try out some Clean Beauty products before you go ahead and purchase full sizes of things. And it's just a great way to also learn about a variety of Clean Beauty brands. So I think that this is a great subscription box. I'm definitely intrigued by Petit Vour, and it is definitely went past my expectations of the box. I definitely think that this is a good one.